Welcome to At Home with Music. And in this video, I'm going to guide you through the playing of 96 7th chords. So we've got 8 different kinds of 7th chords that we're going to look at. Man, you should be familiar with them all at this point if you've been going through From Ears to Fingers Advanced. So I'm going to play them all. We're going to build 8 7th chords on each note of the chromatic scale. So you got 12 different notes. You've got 8 different chords. 8 times 12, 96. So I know this is a lot of information to absorb. So as you're going through the video, feel free to stop occasionally and get your bearings if you need to. You can rewind, go back over parts. At any rate, by the time you get through with this video, you will be able to play 96 7th chords. I also encourage you to play these with your left hand. I'm going to be demonstrating them just in the right hand, but you can play them with your left hand as well. So let's go. Here we go. I'm going to switch to the overhead camera and let's play 96 7th chords. Okay, I hope that you found this helpful. I realize that this is an awful lot of information to take in, so I encourage you to come back to this video if you need to, and you will be able to continue reviewing all these 7th chords. And as we go along, we'll begin to look at some songs that use these 8 different types of 7th chords. So thanks for watching. Thanks for playing along. If you have any questions or any comments, then please leave those in the comment section. I will be sure to get back to you. You can also support my work on Patreon. I'll leave the links below. And I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.